Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your online psychic love reading for the month of October. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, that's amazing. And if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started, Aquarius. What are the various persons feeling, thinking and intentions towards Aquarius? What are the various persons feeling, thinking and intentions towards Aquarius? What are the various persons feeling, thinking and intentions towards Aquarius? And we are having here Queen of Cups, Eight of Swords, Four of Cups, and the Magician. What are the Aquarians feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Aquarians feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? The Devil, Six of Swords, the Chariot, Justice. What are the mutual energies? Tower, Knight of Wands. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. Libra with this Justice, Cancer with this Chariot, Capricorn with this Devil, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Six of Swords, Knight of Swords, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Queen of Cups, Four of Cups, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Knight of Wands. Let's talk about your person's feeling, Aquarius, and your person is being moody here. They are not expressing their feelings and emotions, and a little bit, negativity in this person's feeling and emotions. They not loving you, and they really don't want to talk about your feelings. They do have loving feelings for you, but right now they are not giving this love to you. Negativity in this person's thoughts and emotions and feelings. And this person is thinking about their thoughts surround them. They are surrounded by their own thoughts. They are thinking a lot of things. And now this they are stuck in their brain. They are just blindfold and holding, they are just tied up, and their thoughts and their feelings totally cover them and holding them back with this Eight of Swords. This person is thinking too much about the things that they uh, easily can skip. They don't have to think too much about it. They make themselves pressurized. They are pressurizing themselves. They need to fight against these thoughts. They are in overthinking right now, thinking too much. But one thing, they are not accepting anything from anyone. This person is really stubborn here. They are like, no, whatever giving this offers and whatever the things, they are not receiving. Whatever they got, they are happy with that, and they are not giving up on their things. And this person now stepping out of their comfort zone and try to control your emotions, their thoughts, their passion, and their you know feelings and money. And they are just want to control the situation and control you. They are stepping out of their comfort zone and try to control the situation and try to control you, and you are obsessed over something. Vice versa. you know Sometimes you think this person is obsessed over something, and you think, or maybe it's you who's obsessed and surrounded by toxic energies, soulmate energies, like karmic soulmate energies. You are finding solution to this, the obsessed. You are really possessive, I think, to for this person. And you're finding solution, moving forward, some kind of, putting negativity behind and moving forward in your life. And you are doing, you like the logical explanations, you are logical solutions finding and moving towards. You are just keep moving forward with all of this journey. You are just ready and keep moving forward and chasing your dreams and your goals. And with this justice cause, you are demanding justice from this person, Aquarius. Whatever this person try to do with you, you will do back. Vice versa. Whatever they do you, they will get back the same treatment. And you are moving on, finding solutions logically, like you using your brain and your wisdom just to find the solution of these possessive energies, moving forward and demanding what you deserve and doing whatever they deserve. And this person is shocked, everything is falling apart, some kind of shock in upcoming days. And with this Knight of Wands, on and off, you know really passionate towards you, excited towards you, want to chase you, want to get you, challenging. but not that reliable. This person's passion is not that, but really enthusiasm, a lot of spontaneous feelings for you. This is a positive side of this card. Let's see what else we have for you, Aquarius. What else we have for Aquarius and what's the outcome? Page of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, and Four of Pentacles, and Ace of Cups, Four of Swords. So with these four cards escape from deck, this person is hopeful. It's gonna be fine. They are steady, stable, gentle, and want hoping it's gonna be stable within a time. You want to build something with this person. Sometime maybe third party, but this third party is not emotional way. Third party, it's just another maybe job and work related thing. Third party, but you want to construct things. You are not destructive. You are trying to construct things with this person. There is a break between you two, but this is really emotional thing between you two as well. This break, this holding back, this not dealing with each other is not that easy for both of you. Really emotional roller coaster. Affection, emotions, love, there. When you are just controlling your tears, this person is controlling their tears. If you want space, they are giving you space. Break, this break is on between you two. It's okay, but it's not that easy for them. It's not like they're really happy and enjoying all of this. This is a really painful situation for them, and they really love you. They do have feelings and emotions for you, and you want to build this. You want to sort it out, and this person also hoping it's gonna be fine. We will sort it out within a time. Let's see what else we have for you, and what should you do, Aquarius? What else we have for you, and what should you do? And we are having here again Page of Pentacles, Two of Wands, and the Star. This person definitely interested in you and hoping it's gonna be fine. They want stability. They are stable. They're trying to be stable, and they want you to give them stability and stable start. You are sometimes you feel like that. What should I do? Just find someone else, or just let this person, let this situation sort out. So you are a little bit restless here, and you are just analyzing and making some kind of plan and strategies about your life. And what should you do? Just hope it's gonna be fine. You don't give up on hope. Just hope it's gonna be fine, and they will. Everything is gonna be fine, and just balance your energies. Be in balance. Don't rush into anything, and don't just slow down. Just be in a balance, steady and calm. Let's see what your advice messages. What your angel want to add in this reading? Victory. Your desire is coming to furnish. Keep up the good work. Well, that's amazing. Just keep moving forward. Let's see what advice messages. Seek for truth. Focus on yourself. Have faith. Enjoy this time. These are few advice messages in the end, and summary of your reading is this person not telling how they feel and really stubborn and stuck in their own brain. They try to control the situation, and they're hoping it's gonna be fine, stable. You are surrounded by obsessed energies. Maybe this person is obsessed over you. You are finding solution and demanding justice and keep moving forward. And you are a little bit indecisive and restless because sometimes you feel like that. What should I do? Just explore other option, or just be with this person? And you are, it's gonna be fine. Hope is there for you. These are the summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.